Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! That was a gigantic truck! You're right, Debo. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea! We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Debo? Whoa, Debo! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck. All right, let's ride. Debo the monster truck is ready for adventure.
Crash! Crash!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. You really crushed that car.
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So, Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Huh? Crash!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan! And, oh boy, we're almost tipping over!
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which are special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow! This is awesome! Whoa, how can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all four wheels at once, instead of just two wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed.
Whoa, yeah, whee!
I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and four-wheel steering. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Megan. It was so cool to ride with you.
Bye, Blippi! Keep on crushing.
I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Debo. I'm Barb the Chocolate Bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, Debo, time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's Chocolate Bar Debo!
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready! Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike! And I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Holy smokes! A volcano! That's right, Debo. When a volcano erupts, smoke and hot lava come out the top of it. I wonder, what makes a volcano erupt? Great idea! We'll go inside a volcano and find out. I'm gonna need wings, spider legs, and the heat shield.
Wings, spider legs, heat shield, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go through the side vent into the volcano. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it sure is hot in here.
Hey there, I'm Maggie the Magma Monster.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We want to learn what makes a volcano erupt.
You're in for a real treat, Blippi and Debo. Speaking of treats, below us, deep in the earth, the planet's heat is melting rocks into liquid, also known as magma, like me.
You're right, Debo. It is like one of our favorite games. The floor is lava. Whoa!
Magma becomes lava after it erupts out of the volcano.
Whoa.
So I guess I'm the floor.
Whoa! We're getting higher.
That's because the more rocks melt below, the more magma rises here in the chamber.
Hey, I wonder where this goes.
Look out, Blippi!
Magma! Phew, that was close. Maggie, you almost fill the whole cavern now.
I sure do. And as I grow, the pressure inside the volcano builds until we push through the crust or the top of the earth. Hold on! Much better.
Maggie, what a blast! And I got the answer to my question. What makes a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts when the hot magma inside it builds pressure and bursts through the surface of the earth. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Hope you loved it.
We did! Bye-bye, Maggie. You're right, Debo. This is a kangaroo crossing, and we are in Australia. So, I guess you never know when a kangaroo might, whoa, bounce in. Wow, what a spectacular jump. I wonder, how high can a kangaroo jump? Great idea! We'll go ask that kangaroo. I'm gonna need frog legs for this adventure.
Frog legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. We're in the outback, so let's go find a kangaroo.
Oh, hi there, I'm Rooney. What brings you to these parts in your cool-looking car?
Hi, Rooney. It's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We wanted to see how high a kangaroo can jump.
Pleasure to meet ya. Well, I can jump as high as your mobile here, but I can jump higher.
Whoa! Rooney's hopping pretty high and super fast.
Ah, you're pretty fast yourself. You up for a little race, Blippi?
Sounds fun.
All right, let's race around that big sandstone rock down there. We call it Uluru, or Ayers Rock. It's the heart of Australia.
Whoa! So cool!
And the first bag here wins.
You're on, Rooney.
By the way, there may be a fence or two in the way.
Good to know.
Come on, Blippi, up to it. Careful, this fence is 6 feet tall. Good jump. Ready to go even higher?
Yeah!
How about a 10-footer?
Whoa!
Yeah! Woohoo!
To the best jumper we've ever seen! And now I have the answer to my question. How high can a kangaroo jump? Kangaroos can jump up to 10 feet off the ground. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Whew, gotta cool down. That's why I'm licking my arm. It's a kangaroo thing. Bye.
Bye-bye! Whoa, Tabs! Look at this amazing rainforest. You're right. I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bai, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bai.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
Oh no, I'm going to be late again. Sorry, we need to go. Oh Not again! I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and Tabs.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bai. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, bye. Halloween is the best, Tabs. And I love trick-or-treating too. Hey, look! A haunted house. Whoa! Look at all the decorations. So cool. You're right, Tabs. Maybe there are treats inside. I wonder what's inside a haunted house. Let's find out. Ready, Tabs? Tabs! What? I better go into the haunted house to find Tabs. This should be fun. Hi, it's me, Blippi. I'm looking for my friend Tabs. Have you seen her?
Hi, Blippi. I'm Mr. Pumpkin.
Was that a ghost?
Probably, yeah. I haven't seen Tabs, but you can look for her in this house full of magical and spooky fun.
Great!
Maybe my friend Bones has seen Tabs. He's in the basement. I'd start by taking the stairs.
All right. Whoa! Whee!
They turned into a slide!
Mr. Pumpkin? Tabs? Hello? Whoa! Sorry.
Don't worry. It happens all the time to Bones.
Maybe he's seen Tabs. I better sweep him up.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Whee! Sorry again, Bones. Whoa! Maybe that flying ghost knows where Tabs is. Let's follow it. Woo! Whoa! Hi, witch. Bye, witch. Well, I guess this is a dead end. I wonder where everyone went. Cool! A spinning wall! Whoa! Woohoo!
Congrats, Blippi! You made it all the way through my haunted house. The tricks are over, but now it's time for the treats!
But wait, I still haven't found Tabs. Tabs? You were the ghost the whole time? Well, now I have the answer to my question. What's inside a haunted house? Fun, spooky skeletons, cobwebs, a talking pumpkin, spiders, a witch, and a floating Tabs ghost. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks for letting us have fun in your house, Mr. Pumpkin. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Stars. And is that a planet? Oh, it is, Tabs. Whoa! There's a whole area out there in space with the planets and the sun. It's called the solar system. I wonder, what planets are in the solar system? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go into outer space. I'm gonna need a rocket booster.
Rocket booster confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Now it's time to get planet size. Growing up! Right, Tabs, we're in space. Whoa, it's a meteor. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Welcome to outer space. I'm Mary the Meteor.
I'm here to find out about all the planets in our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, shall we? Closest to the blazing sun are the 2 smallest and hottest planets, Mercury and Venus.
Whoa, that is hot.
We should go. The third planet is your home, Earth.
Hi, Mom!
Then there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is red because it's covered in rusty soil. Achoo!
That's a lot of dust.
Come on! Next up is the giant Jupiter. Bigger than all the planets combined. He doesn't scare me, though. Whoa! We should go!
We sure are a long way from the sun now.
Welcome to Saturn and her rings.
Whoa, they look beautiful. Can we get closer?
Of course!
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, whee!
Wait! We haven't finished yet.
On your left is Uranus, billions of miles from the sun, pretty cold.
Now let's hear it for the furthest, windiest, and coldest planet, Neptune!
Whoa! I have the answer to my question. What planets are in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Upload answer tabs. Thanks for the tour, Mary. That was wild.
See ya, Blippi! Time for a shower. A meteor shower!
Bye, Mary the Meteor. Wow, that's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! Woo! Gotcha. Phew. That was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa, it's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.
Whoa, that bird is carrying lots of twigs. Right, Debo. She's bringing them to her nest. I wonder, how do birds build a nest? Good idea. Let's follow that bird and see if she'll show us. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Oh no! What happened to your nest?
Hi, Blippi and Debo. I'm Jody. My nest was damaged in a storm last night. Oh, don't worry, Eggies. Mama's on a mission to rebuild our nest.
We were wondering how you build a nest.
Well, I could use an extra wing to look after my 2 eggs.
Debo would love to egg sit.
Aw, thanks, Debo. Now, Blippi, can you come with me to get supplies? Grass, mud and twigs. They're all near Jake's place, so we'll need to keep him busy. Very unfriendly.
Let's go! Nice birdie! Jody, what's the status of that grass?
Grass acquired. Time to get the mud. Mud is landing in the nest. Now all we need are some twigs from the end of this branch.
This guy again?
Oh, thanks, Debo. Time to build. First, I make a circle with twigs and grass. Then, add more twig circles higher on top of each other.
Whoa! You use your beak to build it.
The mud is like glue, holding the nest together.
Your nest is fantastic, Jody. And I know the answer to my question. How do birds build a nest? Birds like Jody find natural things like grass and twigs, then use mud to hold it all together. Upload answer, Debo.
Bye, Blippi and Debo. Thanks for all your help.
Bye-bye, Jody. Bye, eggs. Look at that snowflake. Whoa! Whoa! I agree, Debo. Snowflakes are beautiful. I wonder, how is a snowflake made? You're right, Debo. We can go up into a cloud and find out. I'm going to need a grabber arm and wings.
Grabber arm, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out how a snowflake is made. We're way up high, and the air is very cold.
Isn't it so chill? I mean, welcome to my cloud.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. It looks like you're working hard.
You're right. I'm a small particle now. Soon I'll be a big snowflake. Can you pass me those big water vapor clouds? The water in the cloud freezes on me, and then I grow more crystals. One snowflake can contain as many as 100 ice crystals!
All of those ice crystals sure made you strong, Mimi.
Here, go catch, Debo. Now that I'm heavy enough, I can fall towards the ground. Follow me! Yay!
Mimi, each time water vapor sticks to you and becomes ice crystals, you get even bigger and more impressive.
Thanks!
You have 6 points, same as every other snowflake, but your own one-of-a-kind design.
Yep, no 2 snowflakes are alike. That means there's no one like me. That's why I'm called Mimi. A snowman. Perfect. I can land there with the rest of my squad. I did it! Stuck the landing!
Way to go, Mimi! And I have the answer to my question. How is a snowflake made? It starts as a particle in the air and collects ice crystals as it gets colder and colder, eventually forming a unique snowflake. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mimi.